Hey, wanna hear me talk about the pumpkin toadlet?
Before we go any further,
Okay, let's start. The pumpkin toadlet is endemic and lives in the rainforests of Brazil. And this is the general area of where the pumpkin toadlets live. They live in leaf litter that collects on the forest floor where they hunt for small arthropods and insect larvae. Pumpkin toadlets tend to be less than 12.5 to 19.7 millimeters in body length. The females tend to be larger than the males. Also, when newly hatched, baby pumpkin toadlets tend to just be about 5.25 to 5.45 millimeters in length. Being that small means that their 3 semicircle canals are also really small. They are the 3 looping canals found within a vertebrate's inner ear. They are filled with fluid and helps an animal detect where their body is positioned in space, how fast they are rotating, and how fast that changes. This sensory feedback helps an animal know to move the way that they need to. Pumpkin toadlets have the smallest recorded semicircle canal for an adult vertebrate, and this comes with like a funny looking consequence. Like they're so like retarded. Let me show you. The tiny size of their semicircular canals impairs their vestibular system, which is a system responsible for balancing and spatial orientation. Basically, the fluid in their canals can't slosh around well enough to tell them where they are in space when they are rotating or moving. And that's why, like, when they jump, they look like they just have a seizure midair. The only reason why they jump like that is because the canals are like too small, so like they don't get good landings often. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they're like, the skin on their back are so thin that if you flash a UV light on it, you could see their bones fluoresce. Okay guys, that was it. I know this one was a shorter video, but next one will be way longer. This is how I'm gonna do it. One long video, a short video, and then a long video. It's gonna go in a pattern like that. And I apologize for like the beginning half of the video, where like you just like hear background noise. That was like, it was like at night, and I'm not gonna redo that. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'm out.